Found an AnTraGX log file in a database folder. This is a database log file used by AnTraGX application database software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these AnTraGX database log files do in your database environment. I always keep a magic software utility on standby for the toughest AnTraGX lock files. That's our guaranteed solution if the initial steps don't work. AnTraGX lock files are database log files used by AnTraGX application database systems to coordinate concurrent access to database files. They prevent multiple processes from simultaneously modifying database content, protecting against corruption when multiple users or applications attempt access at the same time. AnTraGX lock files use AnTraGX's proprietary lock format, storing process identifiers, timestamps, and lock metadata. The presence of the file indicates active database access, with the file removed automatically when the controlling process completes its operations and releases its database lock for other processes. The best utility for reliable viewing of AnTraGX lock is known to be AnTraGX by AnTraGX. To access all data streams, audio or video subtitles, a dedicated media container handler is required. Windows uses temp files for caching and processing, but they rarely need to be kept. We are performing a vital check of your system's software. Right-click your AnTraGX lock file and choose Open With. Test with AnTraGX first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is often a simple compatibility swap. If the AnTraGX lock file is still giving you trouble, relax. We've established the file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential quick troubleshooting procedures. First, letting AnTraGX manage. AnTraGX lock files are managed automatically by the AnTraGX application during database operations. Allow the controlling process to complete normally, which removes the lock file. Manual deletion can interrupt active database operations, potentially causing data corruption requiring database recovery procedures. Next, clearing stuck locks. If lock files persist after application crashes or improper shutdowns and prevent database access, verify. No AnTraGX processes are running. Use Task Manager to confirm complete application closure, then delete the orphaned AnTraGX lock file. The application generates new lock files during subsequent normal operations. Finally, investigating persistent issues. Repeatedly stuck. Lock files may indicate underlying problems like application crashes, resource exhaustion, or file system issues. Examine application logs for error messages and check system resources. Contact AnTraGX support for persistent issues that aren't resolved by clearing individual lock files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit FileMagick.com for more info. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.